East Bengaluru is expanding rapidly, and Kadugori in Whitefield is right at the heart of this growth story. Now imagine an address in Whitefield, but far from the noise. Welcome to a location that gives you the best of both worlds. At codename Nammamane, you're not in the chaos, you're just off it.
Strategically set about 2 kilometers from the Whitefield Hoskote double main road.
This address offers something rare in Whitefield. Cleaner surroundings, lower noise, and a calmer everyday experience without compromising on access. And with its strong connectivity and evolving infrastructure, it also holds excellent potential for long-term value appreciation. So, close enough for convenience, far enough for peace. With the Whitefield Kadugori metro station accessible within a 7-minute walk from the project's back gate, you're seamlessly connected to the entire city via the Purple Line. And with easy access to Whitefield Main Road, Channasandra Road, Old Madras Road and Hoskote Road, every part of Bengaluru is within comfortable reach. The advantage doesn't stop here. Located close to the proposed 80 feet CDP radial road and less than 1 kilometer from the upcoming 330 feet Bengaluru business corridor, this address is set to become even more connected in the future. So you get a location that's not just relevant today, but also future ready. So why Kadugori? Because it's part of the larger Whitefield growth corridor, but without the clutter of high-traffic main roads. Here you experience lower traffic noise, less dust and pollution, safer, calmer internal roads, easier drop-offs and pickups. This is what real, everyday livability looks like. At codename Nammamane, you're right in the heart of East Bengaluru's thriving IT corridor.
With major employment hubs just minutes away, from International Tech Park Bengaluru and Goyal & Co Titanium Tech Park to GR Tech Park,
your daily commute becomes shorter, simpler and far more convenient.
Reputed educational institutes like Sharada Vidya Mandir, Chrysalis High, Valistas International, MVJ College, Dean's Academy, Vaidehi School of Excellence, CMR IT and Rhine International are just a short drive away from codename Nammamane. Healthcare access is seamless with Sri Sathya Sai Super Speciality Hospital, Vaidehi Hospital and Manipal Hospital opposite Shantiniketan within comfortable reach. For shopping and lifestyle, destinations like Nexus Whitefield Mall, Park Square and Nexus Shantiniketan ensure that weekends are never far from entertainment and dining.
This isn't just a well-connected location, it's a well-balanced one. Codename Nammamane brings you the rare advantage of being connected to the city yet tucked away from the chaos. Visit today to experience why this address just feels right.